Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with two beautiful facial kit. Today I will be applying the Moroccan Argan Oil facial kit on my face, which has beautiful 6 steps. First step is cleanser, the utmost and very important step for your skincare. So I will be applying the Moroccan Argan Oil cleanser, for which I will be doing a massage about 3 to 5 minutes so that all the dust and my skin can be cleaned up and can be smooth for my further steps. Let me also tell you some very interesting points about this facial kit, that it is anti-aging and skin nourishing facial kit, which is very easy to do at your home. About 30 to 35 minutes you will be done with your facial. This facial kit also helps to prevent signs of aging, wrinkles, fine lines and dark spot, and is also naturally rich in vitamin E. Now, second step is scrub, the utmost important part of the facial. You just have to use your gentle hands on your face so that your face and your scrub just go very smooth. Also, let me tell you that we are here with two beautiful and amazing facial kit. One is which I am applying on my face, that is Moroccan Argan Oil facial kit, and the second one is Gold facial kit. Both are amazing. The results are just amazing and wonderful. I have applied both on my face as well as also applied on my family's face, and they are loving it. I'm also loving it. And the wonderful thing about these facial kits are that they just cost $260 per kit to you, and you can do 3 to 4 facials at your home on your own and not to go anywhere at any time, and very easy to do. Isn't it very amazing and beautiful? Now, the third step is Moroccan Argan Oil Firming Cream. You just have to gently massage for 10 to 12 minutes, giving right strokes and pressure in circular motion with fingertips. Massage till the cream get absorbed. And also remember one thing, you don't have to use water with the cream. You just have to massage till the cream get absorbed. Now comes the fourth step, which is Moroccan Argan Oil Firming Gel. Again, you have to use this gel very gently and slowly, using the tips of the finger. Work them in a circular motion for 10 to 12 minutes on the face. Massage till it get absorbed. Remember again the one thing, that you don't have to use the water with the gel, and massage it 10 to 12 minutes until and unless this gel is absorbed to your skin. Also remember that this facial kit is very easy to use at home on your own, because all these steps are written on the kit, and that makes it easy itself. Now comes the fifth step, which is Moroccan Argan Oil Face Mask. Evenly apply mask and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. When semi-dry, spray water and gently wipe off mask with a wet sponge. Now time to wipe it off, as I have kept the mask almost for 10 to 15 minutes and I'm using the wet towel. You can also use the wet sponge or the wipe to wipe off the mask. So basically, you can see the result after all these steps I have taken in the facial. The results are really very beautiful and amazing. And now also the last and the utmost important step is left, which I am going to continue. That is the serum, which is most important after the facial or the cleanup we are taking. So I'm using here the 6th step, which is serum. So massage with a few drops of serum for 3 to 4 minutes. Let it get absorbed. Remember one thing, that only in cleanser and scrub you have to use the water, and in the cream as well as in the gel and also in the serum you don't have to use water. You just have to massage gently until and unless the serum, the gel or the cream does not absorb to the skin. So I have done with all these steps and it is making easy for me to do my cleanup or the facial at home and giving me the beautiful look. I hope you all like it. I have done the facial of Moroccan argan oil right now. Again, in the another video I will also be showing the facial of gold facial kit. Thank you for watching. Love you.